That depends entirely on their experience. In fact, I was on a panel today where we had a difference of opinion on that. My opinion, because of my background, I mean, I'd had over 100 things produced for television and features before I wrote a book. So for me, it was like, well, okay, let's adapt this into a feature. And who should write it? It's like, well, duh. So I wrote the adaptation, and then I produced and directed it as well. But, for me, adapting a book of mine into a screenplay, it's like, well, yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to have that done really shortly. And so my advice to them was, hey, if you think you can do it, go for it. And a couple other people were going, no, don't even think about doing your own adaptation, hire somebody else. And it's like, well, okay, we're both kind of right. It depends on your experience. If you have experience writing screenplays and you're good at it, that's another biggie. You can have experience at something and suck. But if you're good at it, if you know what you're doing, and you're a talented screenwriter, yeah, do it. Write your own adaptation. If not, you're going to have to find somebody to do it, or find an agent who's interested, or get the film rights sold. So it's going to be if you are not a good first choice to write your own adaptation, look forward to a much longer process, and probably a somewhat expensive process, of putting it into somebody else's hands to do it. So on the whole, my opinion is, if you can learn screenwriting and become good at it, and that's the biggie, because producing bad work doesn't help you, ever. So you've got to be good at it. If you are, you're going to save yourself a lot of grief.